Have you ever imagined making up to $7,000 a week or $1,000 a day just by searching on Google without any previous skills, without any previous experience, without any upfront investment, nothing? Well, this is exactly what the Temu affiliate program allows you to do. And if you've never heard about Temu, it's kind of like the Amazon, but it's a China website. Basically, they sell very cheap items on this site, and it's kind of like the plague. You can see this website here everywhere. Now, the reason I say you can make this amount of money with the Temu affiliate program is because, as you can see here on their own website, you can earn up to $100,000 per month, and they give you $5 as a download reward, and they give you up to 20% commissions in every single sale that you make. So you can see here, anyone around the world can join, so it doesn't really matter which country you're from. All you have to do is just join the program, share the products, and earn money. That's as simple as that, and you can start making money even today. Now, they also have the Temu influencer program, but I don't think all of you guys will categorize as an influencer. If you make content for social media, you can also join the influencer program, and you can earn up to $1,000 in cash to spend on their platform every 2 months. So they give you $500 per month, and you can also earn up to $100,000 in affiliate cash every month, which is commissions every single month. So you also get $300 in balance to buy whatever you want on their website as soon as you register as a Temu influencer. If you make content for social media and you want to become an influencer for Temu and promote their products to make some money, you can also do that. So you have both options. But today we're going to be talking about the affiliate program because I know most of you guys don't create content for social media. So let's save this in a Google Doc and enter